In this video, we will be taking a look at the notifications section when looking at an event in a client file. So right now I'm looking at a client file. I am on the status page, the event status page here. And so the notification column will track the notifications that have gone out to the client based on the event status that they are in. You can see that our client is in the rejects status, and we have our client notification column right here. So just starting with the top, for our settings, we have disable notifications. This is a way that you can turn off the flow of automatic notifications that are going out to the client based on this event status. So if I want to turn this off, I'm just going to click on the edit pencil and I'm going to check the box for disable and then save it. Then we have our days setting here. So rejects is set up to automatically send out a message every 3 days, but we can change that right here if we want to. We can just click the edit pencil. Then we have an override days. So if I just plug in a 4 here, want this to go out every 4 days, we can do so. Just enter that, click save, and then it changes that. We have days to the next notification. This says 4. We just sent one out today, and so in 4 days it'll send out a new one. If this were to be tomorrow, then this would say 3. 2 days from now it would say 2, and so on. Then we have the printer icon, and this will show the messages that have already been sent out to the client, and also shows the number of messages that have been sent out. So if we were to click on this, it's going to pull up a new tab that shows the message that was sent to the client. And then lastly, we have the send predefined link right here, and this is something we can use to manually send out a new message to the client. We just click on it, it pulls up a new menu where we can choose a list of the messages that we have created for this event. So if I just choose the general reject message, I just click on it, it fills in the email subject, the email message, and also the text message right there. So I just select the message and then I can click send, and then it goes out to our client. And then if you want to add more messages to this event status, just click on the add predefined link right here. This is a shortcut to the admin category types event status page, which is normally where you would set this up. But yeah, it's just a shortcut to there, and you can set up your automated messages on this page. Like if we scroll up, you can see that there's different criteria in which these ones are automatically sent. Like this one's sent as soon as the event is created. This one's sent based on the start date. So the one that we were looking at is actually this one right here, X days from start date. So it's going out, as you saw before, every 3 days, and it has a total of 10 times it would go out. So this is where we can make changes to that if you wanted to, or if we scroll down to the bottom, we can then add more of those predefines that we manually send out. So there are the 3 that you saw before. If we wanted to, we could type in a new one and give it an email subject, email message body, and then also a text message body. So to get back to our client file from this page, just scroll up to the top, and then you have your back to client link right here. So that is it for the notifications section inside of the client file when looking at the event. Now I'm going to hop over to the home page and we can take a look at this functionality from there. All right, so on our home page, you can send out messages from here as well based on the event status that you click on. So if I just want to go to tax preparation office, we have 3 clients that are in here right now. I click on this, it's going to show me those clients. And you also have that same notifications column right here. And so this will track the notifications that were sent out to the client. But if we want to manually send one out to them, what we can do is we can click our checkbox right here to select our clients. And then we have our add button in the top right. So if you click on add, predefine notification, this will pull up that same menu that we saw inside the client file, where we can then select our messages to send out to the client. Like if I want to say, just choose our Becky one. This is one we have set up where this is going to be Becky telling them that they are doing their tax return. So that is how you do it from the home page, and that is the client notification from the event page. So thank you for watching, and definitely reach out to Atom Support if you have any questions.